Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare Shahi Paneer. So the ingredients required to prepare this Shahi Paneer are, here I have taken 250 grams of paneer and I have cut them into cubes like this. You require fresh cream. If you don't have fresh cream, then you can use the malai from the milk, beat it nicely and you can use it. Salt as per our taste, oil for preparing this recipe. This is garam masala powder. I'll be using half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, coriander powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon, and Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon, sugar, 1/4 teaspoon, cardamom, 4 cardamoms, as you can see I have slitted them, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 inch, and this is Shahi Jeera that I have taken. If you don't have Shahi Jeera, you can use the normal Jeera, friends. So I have taken half a teaspoon of Shahi Jeera, Kasuri Methi, half a teaspoon of Kasuri Methi, here 1 tablespoon of cashew nuts, almond, 8 to 10 almonds, 3 tomatoes cut into big pieces, 1 bay leaf, 2 onion. These were medium size onions. So 2 onions also I've cut into big pieces. Then we have taken ginger, 1 inch ginger. So I've cut them into half like this. 10 to 12 garlic cloves. So now let's start cooking. First, we are going to fry these paneer. So friends, frying this paneer is optional. I would fry it a little bit to enhance its taste. So here I have heated oil and now I am going to fry these paneer pieces. After frying it over medium flame for a minute, we will take this out. As you can see, friends, now we will take this paneer out from this oil. After taking out the paneer, I have reduced the amount of the oil, friends. Then I will add the cashew nuts and the almonds in this oil. Just saute them a little bit. Then we will add the ginger and the garlic pieces. Now we will add the onion and the tomatoes also. We'll add very little salt so that the tomatoes get cooked. And now we'll saute this for a minute. Now we will add half cup of water. Mix it. and then we will cover this and cook till the water gets little dried up. After 2 minutes, when I'll open the lid, as you can see friends, the tomatoes are cooked. Water has also partially dried up. So now we will put off the flame and cool this mixture and then grind it. For grinding, we are not going to use water. We will just grind it as it is. Friends, here I have grinded the tomato and the onion that we have fried. Now I am going to strain this using a strainer. So here friends, I have strained the mixture that I have grinded. This is the smooth paste and this is the remaining part. So we are not going to throw this, we are going to keep this and use it for some other curry. But for this Shahi Paneer, we will only use this smooth paste. So now let's start cooking. So here I have heated 2 tablespoons of oil, and now I am going to add the cardamom, cinnamon and the Shahi jeera. Let it crackle for some time. We'll add the bay leaf also. So now I have added all the spices and the paste, and we are going to fry this. After cooking for 2 minutes, our masala is cooked properly and the gravy has got a very thick consistency. So I'm going to add a cup of water. Mix it. Mix it nicely, and then I'm going to cover this and bring it to boil. Now friends, you can see it is boiling. So after one boil, we are going to add the sugar. We'll add the garam masala powder, and we'll add little salt. Very little salt friends, because we have already added salt with the tomato mixture and then we have fried it. So just check and add. Now we are going to add the fried paneer. After adding all the paneer pieces, we'll just mix it lightly. And then now we are going to cover this and cook for 5 minutes. Now we'll remove the lid. So friends, you can see. Now we'll remove this bay leaf also. The cinnamon stick also. Now we will add the kasuri methi leaves. We'll add the fresh cream also. Now we will mix and cook this for a minute. So friends, our Shahi Paneer is ready. We are going to, the last step, we will put off the flame. We will add this butter. This will give a very smooth texture. Cover this and leave it for a minute. So friends, after 2 minutes, we'll open the lid. We will mix it once again. And here, our Shahi Paneer is ready to serve. After transferring it to the serving bowl, we will put little fresh cream. So friends, here our Shahi Paneer is ready. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon. Bye.